Okay, good afternoon, Paxton. I hope you're okay. Obviously, the football was a little bit disappointing last night, but I'm really proud of you all for making sure that you were in on time this morning and that you were ready to learn. So it's just a shame, but one of those things. So hopefully, fingers crossed for the World Cup next year. So let's start with our certificates today, and I'm going to let that class in, let Magnolia in. There we go. Start with our certificates today. So we're off to the early years, as we always do at the very beginning. So a big well done to Hygen for adventure, for such a fantastic start to Oak class. Again, you were able to share your space rocks brilliantly. So Hygen started with us back in September, went off for a little while and has now come back, and we're so pleased he's part of our Cuxton community. So well done, Hygen. So fantastic. Well done to Sebastian for showing excellence, for sharing your fantastic knowledge of turtles and bringing them in to show us. And I know how much Oak class enjoyed having Sebastian's turtles in school, so thank you, Sebastian. And well done to Amelia for demonstrating perseverance during writing activities. So Amelia and Ash. And a big well done to Florian for demonstrating excellence during all learning activities and always seeking a challenge. Keep it up, Florian. Let's give the early years a huge round of applause. Well done, early years. Off to year one. So a big well done for Skylar for enthusiastic entry into Cuxton's Got Talent. I am so excited about Thursday afternoon to see all the finalists. Well done to Marnie for fantastic writing, resilience and helping her friends with adjectives. Congratulations, Marnie. Well done to Ava G for always being kind to others. So clearly demonstrating our community value, Ava. And well done to Ariana for showing excellence in writing some expanded noun phrases in her writing. So showing excellence in writing expanded noun phrases. Well done, Ariana. And finally, a huge well done to the whole of Pine class from Miss Powell for their excellent behaviour on the trip. So well done, Pine. Let's give year ones a huge round of applause. Keep it up. Off to year two. So we have a certificate here for Ruby for showing great resilience learning new sounds. And I've seen Ruby do some wonderful learning at the moment with Miss Taylor. Well done to Kayla for her excellent reading. Your use of expression is superb. Keep it up, Kayla. Congratulations to Arthur for showing excellence in his reasoning. Arthur, I'd love to see that reasoning work. Please do bring it down. And well done to Seren for showing excellence, and sorry, let me start again. Showing resilience and determination to complete her learning. Wow, demonstrating one of our school values, Seren. Let's give year two a huge round of applause. Off to year three. So we have Ryan, who's demonstrating excellence for fantastic scientific knowledge during an investigation. And I saw year threes last week undertake their investigation with their magnets, and they were thoroughly engaged. Well done to Charlie FS for taking pride in his work all week, for demonstrating excellence in your work. Well done, Charlie. Well done to Javier R for demonstrating the community value, for always looking after his friends and the environment. Keep it up, Javier. And well done to Soam for adventure, for having a go and enjoying creating bar charts in maths. I know Miss Giacondi was really proud of the fact that you were giving it a good go. Let's give year three a huge round of applause. Well done, year three. Off to year four. So we have a certificate here for Alyssa for being a total superstar in maths and making over 10 marks progress in the Times Table Rockstars sound check. Wow, Alyssa, that's phenomenal progress. Well done to Amelia C for continued effort in all lessons, especially creative writing. Congratulations, Amelia. Well done to Johnny L for demonstrating an excellent attitude in learning in PE. Well done, Johnny. And congratulations to Jacob T for his incredible performance of Cuxton's Got Talent. And Jacob, I heard all about this performance in the staff room. You should be very, very proud of yourself, Jacob. Let's give year four a huge round of applause. Well done, year four. Off to year five. No, year five, we're missing you. I know you're at home doing your remote learning, and you'll be back next Monday, which we're very much looking forward to. So well done to JJ for showing respect, for always being respectful to both adults and children. Well done, JJ. Well done to Stephen for demonstrating the adventure value. for trying to include more adventurous words in his writing. Keep it up, Stephen. Well done to Eva H for continued effort to improve her writing, including the presentation. Well done, Eva. And a big well done to Tristan for his encouragement and kind words towards his peers when auditioning for Cuxton's Got Talent. Lots of certificates this week around Cuxton's Got Talent, but thank you, Tristan. That's a really lovely thing to do. Let's give you 5 a huge round of applause. Okay, I haven't got certificates for Year 6 this week. They're busy, engaged in their fun week, so we'll leave them to it. But we have got certificates for the best attendance. So I wonder which class is going to achieve the special envelopes this week, the golden envelopes, and it is very tight. So the best attendance in the infant school goes to, drum roll, stop, Elm class with 96.3%. Well done, Elm. And the best attendance in the junior school goes to, drum roll, stop, Magnolia class with 96.4%. So Magnolia, you have won the golden envelopes this week. I think it's your first week of winning. So well done, Magnolia. Keep it up. And the tidiest classroom this week. The tidiest classroom in the infant school goes to, drum roll, stop, Oak class. And I know how proud Mrs. Chapman and Mrs. Martineau are of Oak class. I think it's the first time you've won it, but you've tried extra hard in the last week to make sure that your cloakroom and your classrooms are clean and tidy. So please keep it up, Oak class. It put a big smile on their faces. And the tidiest classroom in the junior school goes to, and again, it's a class I don't think I've given this to very often, drum roll, stop, Holly class. Well done, Holly. Very, very proud of you. So we have some bronze certificates to hand out for Cyril's. So for Lily L in Oak class, for Lexi in Oak class, and for Fenwick in Oak class. So well done. We also have some children that have achieved 100 home reads, and we've got lots of names this week. So a big well done to Ellie May, to Owen, to Poppy J, to Isabel, to Sunny, to Jack, to Katie, to Ted, you missed someone then, to Ollie, and Eliza. So lots of children in Year 3 this week, and obviously we've got Ellie in Year 5. So very, very proud of all those children to have achieved 100 home reads. So we are going to move on to the Golden Book. We've only got a couple of children in there this week. So we've got Tamsin for phenomenal maths work about fractions. And last week I saw the most amazing fractions work produced by Tamsin. It was quite phenomenal considering Tamsin is in early years. She understood quarters, eighths, halves. It was amazing. Well done to Ryan L for his amazing efforts with his handwriting. And well done to Ellie May, having a good week, Ellie May, for an excellent account of how her opinion of tourism has changed. Let's give those children a huge round of applause. Well done. And finally, I need to announce the winners of Sports Day. And I want to say a huge thank you to Mrs. Mulholland and to Tom for setting up Sports Day, whether it was in the hall or outside. And also a big thank you to you children, because I know you actively participated and you all really enjoyed the mornings and the afternoons. So we will start with early years and Key Stage 1. In 4th place with 205 points were, drum roll, stop, Rochester. Well done, Rochester. And in 3rd place with 212 points, drum roll, stop, Leeds. Well done, Leeds. So it's between Dover and Hever for 1st and 2nd place. So in 2nd place with 217 points, drum roll, stop, Hever. So the winners were Dover with 232 points. Well done, Dover. Okay, Key Stage 2 totals. So in 4th place with 265 points, drum roll, stop, Rochester. In 3rd place with 283 points, drum roll, stop, Hever. So it's between Dover and Leeds. So this time in second place with 294 points, drum roll. Stop. Leeds. So the winners again were Dover with 299 points. So I'm sure you can guess that Dover won the competition overall with 531 points. So big well done to Dover. Give yourselves a huge clap on the back. And Leeds came second with 506. Hever came third with 500 and Rochester came fourth with 470. So it was incredibly close, children. We're very much hoping to raise the profile next year of house points again. It's been quite tricky this year with bubbles and so on, but Mr. Bilton and I have spoken and we want to make sure that we're using our houses as much as possible. So that's something to watch out for next year. Children, get early nights tonight. I know there's lots of tired children in school because of last night, but like I say, thank you again for coming in and thank you for engaging in your learning today. And I will see you soon. Bye.